This is the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Wednesday, the 27th of September. I'm Michael Groff. 89 degrees was our high in the valley yesterday. We'll be right around there, maybe a degree or two warmer today. A more substantial warming trend begins tomorrow and into the weekend, with mostly dry conditions prevailing. Let's talk about it as we look outside this morning at 5:50 a.m. Mostly cloudy skies in the valley right now. It's a little bit warmer than we've been in recent mornings. 70 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew points at 30, humidity 23%. The winds are calm, the barometer is rising. Temperatures out there this morning, low 60s to low 70s across south central Arizona. Here's the water vapor satellite view, an upper low here across the southwest, bringing some unsettled weather mainly east of Arizona. We've got flash flood watches parts of Texas and Oklahoma. And tropical storm warnings continue for the Outer Banks of North Carolina. Those should be discontinued later today. On the convective outlook, a marginal risk of severe storms to include part of our state today up around the Show Low area. And that risk heads south and eastward towards Silver City and Deming, New Mexico. Other parts of the state in the green just to the northeast of Phoenix, so there's certainly a risk of thunder up there, and we'll certainly talk about that in just a moment. The latest on Maria, now a tropical storm as it continues to weaken. Maximum sustained winds 70 miles per hour. It will make that turn to the east today and begin to accelerate, and by this weekend, it's out over the North Atlantic, and it's a post-tropical system. Getting a little bit closer to home, let's talk about our weather in more detail. We'll check the models right now. Here's the GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 5 o'clock Mountain Standard Time today. Upper low here, still spinning over the southwest. A backdoor cold front coming in across New Mexico and Colorado. You put it all together, and it means some moisture on the increase across the state. Just how far west that moisture gets, still a little bit up in the air, but we're going to stay dry here in the valley today. A partly sunny sky. Highs, upper 80s and low 90s, rather similar to yesterday, maybe a degree or two warmer. Isolated showers and thunderstorms over the eastern part of the state today, and a few of those could get on the strong side. Tonight, we've got partly cloudy skies here, lows mainly low 60s to low 70s. Tomorrow, a few clouds, otherwise mostly sunny, highs low to mid 90s, and could see an isolated storm again over eastern Arizona. Friday, mostly sunny, highs mid and upper 90s. Saturday, upper 90s, maybe even getting to the century mark. We still can't count it out just yet. After all, it's still late September, early October. You know, temperatures getting to the century mark are not out of the question around here. Sunday, kind of the same thing. Might start to knock temperatures down a degree or two as troughing passes to the north of Arizona. We'll say mid and upper 90s for now. Monday, again, mid and upper 90s, 95 to 98 or so, with mostly sunny skies continuing. Really the same thing on Tuesday. Again, troughing continues north of Arizona, some rain over the Pacific Northwest, but we are going to stay dry. Let's go out to a week from today. This is Wednesday, the 4th of October. Pretty good looking ridge there over the southeast part of the country, and building back here toward the southwest. Upper heights are still anywhere between 588 and 590 decameters. And even in early October, with the slightly lower sun angle, that still translates to some pretty warm temps, highs mid and upper 90s. Here's Thursday, the 5th of October, and again, you see troughing to the north and west of us, but we're just not going to cool off anytime soon. Highs might back off a degree or two again. We'll say mid 90s, and here's the end of the forecast period. This is Friday, the 6th of October. Nice trough off the Pacific Northwest, but it's just not going anywhere. And that means temperatures just aren't going to go anywhere. Again, we'll be in the mid-90s, I think right around or maybe 2-3 degrees above our climatological average. Checking the temperatures through the period coming off the GFS ensemble, a warming trend into the weekend and next week. I'm not sure we're going to be in the upper 90s by the middle part of next week, but certainly temperatures at or above normal are possible out there. And then a downtrend as we head into mid-October. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. Thanks so much for watching. As always, if you like our videos, subscribe to us. Otherwise, be safe out there and have a great Wednesday.